Hello. Well, good morning.
Robert, do you see the lesson on the screen? Can you turn off this
Turn it off.
so that I can see you more clear?
All right.
Clear.
Okay. Hide lesson.
Yes.
Oof, okay, you're bigger
Mm-hmm.
now. Yes, I'm a bit annoyed because they put the is it called thumbnail? The one that I'm looking at of me is over your picture. It's picture over picture, right? And some
Yes.
and sometimes it covers the person's face, so I can't even see them because they're
Ah.
behind. If they're not sitting in the middle of their camera, uh, where am I? I can show you. I can show you. This is what I'm looking at.
Oh wow. Yeah. I
And
can see you exactly like
I
the
am
way
where you
you
are.
see me.
If you were
Yes.
to the right and down a bit, I wouldn't see you at all.
It's
And
like.
children do that. Children get in the wrong place, and I can't see them.
Okay, got it.
Anyway, I can do nothing
So,
about that.
yeah, by the way, I want to ask you that do you still teach offline or you just teach on Cambly?
I'm only Cambly. That's it. Nothing else.
Okay, I got
Yeah.
it. Mm-hmm.
8 weeks I've been doing this for Cambly. Before that, I was doing this teaching online, but not for Cambly.
Oh, really? Yeah, I
Yeah, I'm new.
see.
I'm quite new, and
Mm-hmm.
I think the first 2 or 3 weeks it said new talent under my name. That's funny. But they've taken that down now, and I'm not new talent anymore. But uh,
Chilly.
no lesson, huh?
I'm sorry, can
No
you
lesson, no lesson.
no
You
lesson?
can take the lesson down.
Yes.
Okay.
I wanna see some magic.
Oh
Can you
no, I was
show me some
hoping you
magic?
would. Did I show you magic last time?
Yes.
Can you remember what the tricks were?
Uh,
Because I can't
uh,
remember. I really forgotten.
last time you teach me a joke is that why nine afraid of seven? It is because seven, eight, nine.
79.
Yes.
I've got a few more of those. Okay, I'm gonna. They're called riddles, right?
I'm sorry,
And this
riddle.
a riddle. I like this one. This one came from a friend of mine
Yeah.
a little while ago, and I thought it was really funny. So it's a riddle, right? R
A
I
riddle.
double L E riddle.
Can you write? Can you type down?
Yeah, but I've got to get the answer off it first. Okay.
Riddle. What's at the beginning of eternity and at the end of time? Oh my god, I don't know the word eternity. It is my new word.
Okay. Eternity is something that goes on forever. There's no beginning and there's no end.
Oh.
So you could say
Mm,
the universe is eternal because, well, some people say there was a Big Bang, but
mm,
what was before the Big Bang? So we say it's eternal because we don't really know when it starts and stops.
yeah,
Or you could say it's a loop, it's a circle.
yeah.
It goes round and round and round and never has a beginning. That's eternity.
Yeah, I got it. So what's at the beginning of eternity and at the end of time?
You've got 8 minutes to give me the answer.
Is it the E letter?
Yes, you got it. I never got it.
But I just can't realize that when I look at the sentence. If I listen, I don't know, I can guess the answer. Yes. Wow,
It
that's
fooled me.
interesting.
I didn't think of it. There's a
Oh my
lot.
god, that's so interesting. I
There's,
will tell my friend.
yeah, I mean, I'm trying to find more riddles at the moment. I think riddles are fun for English, and
Oh, yes.
I've got riddles, and I've got idioms, and
Mm,
and tongue twisters. Uh,
tongue twist.
this is this is this is one that we used to do at school. And they're very good for practicing your pronunciation. You have to say them, start off saying it slowly, and then a bit faster.
Tongue twister. If Peter picked up peck of what's that? Oh my god.
It's really not really making any sense. They're deliberately using P and K, CK.
Oh.
So I'll read it for you. If
Yeah.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers that Peter Piper picked? And you have to say it 3 times. You have to say it around 3 times. If Peter Piper picked a peck of
Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm going crazy.
So they're very good for practicing phonics
Yes.
and pronunciation. I don't really know what the difference between phonics and pronunciation is. I mean, I studied phonics and I taught phonics. And I still don't really understand what it is. It's to do with making a sound in your mouth. It's how you make it, like PH, and right?
Yeah, it is.
But I thought that was pronunciation. So,
so
what you can do is you can take the letters, you can take a little bit out of a word, like PH, right, and have different words with PH in it, right, like elephant or what else? Maybe F. F is easier. Fat, full, fish, far. They've all got F, so you practice that.
Yeah. Yes, I will.
Yeah. Anyway, so what's next? What can you ask me? Ask me a question.
Okay. So do you just use the sentence to show the students, or you make some magics by the card or your hands, so on?
What? I don't.
So you don't get me?
No, I don't get you. So.
Yeah. I mean, so you use the magic to teach students English.
Sure.
But
English through magic. English through magic. I'm a
English
teacher and a
through
magician.
magic.
So I teach grammatical functions and verbs and pronouns when I do the magic.
So is that what you just showed me by some sentences here?
No, tongue twisters was trying to avoid. I was trying to do something else rather than do the magic. I was trying to.
Oh wow!
Because I was saying, what am I going to do? She wants to see some magic. Oh, okay. So, counting. Okay, how many? One, two, three. Okay. So you got numbers. Color. What color are they?
Red.
Exactly. And I got to start. I got to remember where to start. Okay. So the cards are 3 separate cards. Hang on, this one should be in the middle. That's better. Okay. The ace of hearts is in the center. Right? This is 3.
3.
Right? Black 3, black 2, red
black
ace.
2 and red 8. Yes.
Okay. And it's in the middle. You can see that?
Yes. Yes, it's in the middle.
Okay. So I'm going to turn them over very carefully, like this, and put one down on the table. And this one on the table, and that one. Now, one of these is the ace, and I've got a coin. And which one is the ace? Is it this first one, the middle one, or the last one? Which one is the ace?
And I have to make a guess, or so I guess, right?
Yeah. Which one's the ace?
The left one. The one in the left.
This one or that one?
I don't know. Whatever. I have no idea.
Well, this one here is the 3, right? This one here is the 2, so it must be this one. Yeah, this one's the ace. Okay, so I'm sorry. What have I done? I've done this completely wrong.
That's okay. Anyway.
Okay, no, okay. No, the ace is the one. This is the ace. The ace is the one.
Mm,
This is 1, 2. Okay.
mm,
So now I'm going to put it here. Okay.
okay.
So which one? Which one?
The
This one?
yes,
Are you sure?
yes.
Let's have a look. You see, you find you're wrong. It's the 3.
Oh my God, what's that?
This is the ace. Okay. This is the 2. So I can.
Wow.
I got a few like that that I can do. This one I don't really. I haven't really learned this trick actually, to be quite honest. I'm still learning it.
Wow,
So anyway,
that's so interesting.
and what else? What's in this one? I got this same thing with this and that. Actually, this and that. I haven't done it for a while, so I might do this one wrong. So. So I got this and that. It's the same idea. You got 3 cards. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay.
Now the top card, it says this. So this is a pronoun. It's called determine a pronoun. So the next one says that, and the last one it should say yes. It's a this card. Okay. So I put it on the bottom. Okay. This one is at the bottom. Okay. And I put it onto the table over here and ask you which card is on the table.
This.
No, this one is in my hand and that one is on the table. Okay, because that one's further away and this one is in my hand. So I'm going to put it back, I think, at the bottom. No, I'm going to put it back into the middle. So I've got this here. And let's have a look. Now, where are we? Okay, I got this one. I'm going to put this card on the table, and guess what? It's back over here again. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to turn this card into that card. Whoops.
Yeah.
1, 2. Now it says that because actually I cheated. It's a double card.
Wow.
No.
Wow. Amazing.
No. That was now. This is the lesson. This and that are determinate pronouns. This and that.
This
So we've got
and
this
that.
card, that card, and the other cards. Which is it? What is it? Tell me. You got 10 seconds. No, it's the other card. So I got this one, that one, and the other one.
Yeah.